Hey, it's Annie and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step the look that I created recently. You guys, so many of you guys really liked the look that I created in my video that I was talking about what my makeup would be like before I was a YouTuber. Then I kind of shared that look in another video, you know, as I was talking to Chatty, but I didn't really get into it. So today I just thought, you know what, we're going to get into it. I'm going to do a more detailed look for you guys. So it's from the Sydney Grace palette. This, I'm trying to think, do I have a discount code? I don't know if I have a discount code, but this isn't available anymore anyways. I don't know if there's colors that are similar that you could get. I don't, you know, as far as Sydney Grace, but you might have colors in your collection already that are similar, okay? So these are all of the colors. We're going to get right into it really quickly as I'm grabbing my brushes. If you are new here, would love to have you join. I share makeup, skincare, fashion tips for us mature ladies. If that's something that interests you, please consider supporting this channel and clicking that subscribe button. Also, make sure you click that notification bell too, because I don't want you to miss out on any of our content, or my content. It's just me. Okay, so let me get right into it. So, love this palette. I shared a video and I did like 3 different looks, very different than the look I'm going to show with you guys today. So if I remember, I will link it up there. And Mom needs a drink. I'm going to go in with this color Juliet first, and I'm going to take that color. I'm going to be doing that dolphin skin look, so that's why I haven't put on any of my foundation or anything. So I'm going to have that in a separate video. I don't know which is going up first. That might go first. I'm not sure. I heard about that trend and I thought that would be fun to try, but let's be real, it's not something you'd be doing every day. I think it's something if you wanted to look extra real nice, you know what I'm saying? Real nice. Then you would, you know, want to do something like that. But girls, sometimes living here in Florida, every day is dolphin skin. You know what I mean? It's humid here, so, but I wanted to try it anyways. I do tend to use more liquids and creams, and I do live in Florida just because I think a youthful face to me looks more dewy and glowy than matte, in my opinion. So that's just my opinion. So see what I'm doing? I'm putting that color all over. I'm going to do a little bit more all over my lid, my eye, like everywhere. And I'm blending it in really, really good. Now I'm going to go in and I'm going to take the color, what does that say? Robert. Okay. So I'm taking the color Robert right there, that brown color. I hope this is exactly what I did in the other video. If not, it's going to be a little different because I'm just like, I just did it, but I don't remember, but I'm pretty sure. So I'm going to go in with this. I'm going to take this little angled brush from BK Beauty, and this is the number, okay, so I'm taking my 205 brush from BK Beauty. I'm going and dipping into that color Robert. I'm going to go right here. I have a mirror back there. You're like, what are you doing? I'll use this one. I'm trying to get used to using my palettes like this. These mirrors, I don't always do it. I can see pretty good, actually. It's smaller things that I can't see close up. It's funny because my husband will say, he'll want to show me something on his phone. I'm like, I can't see. I can't see. I need my glasses. Like I can see a face, but then it just looks blurry, you know? And words, forget about it. So I just put it on the end there, and now I am just blending it in. I always make sure that I'm blending it in towards the inside. Don't go like this. You want to keep it that way. And I'm not bringing it all the way in either. Kind of defining my crease area a little bit more. So I'm doing the same thing. See how my eye looks hooded? I know I don't have really dramatic hooded eyes, but I do have some hooded eyes there. So That's why I like to apply my shadow like this, because it just, the shadows that you're creating, it's like you're contouring your eyes, and then it just lifts. Now, before I get to the inside, I just want to clean up the edges, even though I'm going to do my foundation and everything. I use this. This is the Anastasia corrector pencil. So it's a corrector pencil, color corrector pencil. It's also an eye primer. I don't use it for either. I've used this as a concealer, and then I use it for this. So I just kind of clean up my eye there. I take my finger. That's what I do. Bibbidi bobbidi boo. And then just so it doesn't look so harsh, I'll just kind of blend that out a little bit more. But my skin sags so much that sometimes I get a little bit too much on the outside. So I just want to clean it up a little bit, but I don't want to have like a really harsh line. So that just soften that up. Now, using my finger, I'm going to go in. This color is just, I love it. So this is the color Devotion. Oh, girl. It is just yummy. It really is. So I'm just taking my finger. Seriously. I mean, do you see that? Do you see how... I like to use my finger on some shimmers. This is what I do lately, and I just like the way it looks. Because I feel like it's, oh my gosh, like I feel like it really packs a punch when I use my fingers. Look at how it looks like a foiled color. It is just unreal, right? Now I'm going to take that brush, and I'm just going to, I just want to blend those two together a little bit right here. See that? Not going in, but I just want to make sure that you don't see like a little end there. You know what I mean? Now I'm going to go in. Now this is something I didn't do, but I feel like I want a little depth today, and I hope that's okay. I'm going to take a little bit of this Robert and Bows. I think that's what it is. Bows and Robert, just a little bit of that. I'm not going to get too much, because black color will always, the darker color always dominates. Remember that. So I'm just taking this brush. This is BK Beauty brush number 207, and I'm just getting a little bit more right there, just a little bit. Just want a little bit more right there. I'm going to do the same with the other side. Just going to blend that. I'm going to keep it right here. Just on the outside there. And I want to... I love neutral colors on me. I just love it. It doesn't look like much when your makeup isn't all on yet, you know? Now I'm going to start doing my foundation and everything. After I do my foundation, I'm going to come back and I'm going to show you my under eyes and do the rest of my eyes, but I just want to get my foundation and everything going, which I'm going to show you in another video. So first up, I want to go in with my Wonder 2. That's part of the Casa Zita Jones line. I'm going to take this. It's a metallic brown, and I'm going to go right under here, my lash line. Do the same thing on this side. Then I'm going to take my smudge brush from BK Beauty, and I'm going to really gently blend that. Then I want to take that same color, Robert, that brown, and I'm going to put that right on top of that. I did not like this mascara, but girl, I like it now. So it's too bad that this palette isn't available anymore, but she has a lot of other shadows that are gorgeous. I did order the one from Mel Thompson, the Tiny Marvels. I almost said Marvels. Tiny Marvels. I did order the Tiny Marvels palette, but it's on back order, so I'm really, really excited to get that. I was a little nervous because of some of the colors. Mel is very adventurous with her eye looks, and I will tell you, she looks amazing in every freaking thing she does. I've never seen her do an eye look that I thought, ooh, I've never seen that. I mean, she just looks amazing at everything. And so I saw Charlotte Holdcraft share some neutral looks, which is more my jam. So I'm really, really excited to get that. So anyways, hope that you guys enjoyed this. If you did, please make sure you give it a thumbs up. Would really appreciate it if you would share my videos. If you're not already following me on Instagram, why not? Just follow me along on Instagram. It's just another way that we can connect there. And let me know if you enjoyed this video. If you want me to share more eye looks, let me know. And I will catch you guys all in my next video. Bye. By the way, I'm going to be doing a look. I'm going to be doing a look. Oh goodness, I'm looking really close. I feel like a hot dog on the 4th of July. I say it all the time. I always have to either have water in here or coffee. Isn't this cute? That's one of my favorite colors. Oh, thunder. It's thundering. Second afternoon shower of the day. Okay, now that I'm done filming, what I need to do is have a sip of coffee. Look at them matching again. Yeah. Afternoon coffee keeps me going, and I don't mean going. I mean like, you know, energy going. So I need to get up. I need to start cleaning the house. It's late in the afternoon right now. I think it's after 4. I gotta get my ass in gear so I can clean the house, get dinner going. You know what I'm saying? So I'll catch you guys on the next video. Okay.